This is our vanilla roll cake. It's been in the fridge for some days now, so I'm just going to clean the moist top. I'm just going to take away the sticky top. Okay, please always remember to clean your cake before you cover. Some people will tell you that the top is the sweetest part. Please don't leave it on your cake. Remember to always take it away, okay? So you can see how flat the cake looks. It's still on the parchment paper. Can you see that? It's still on the parchment paper. So we are going to finish up with it using one of our fillings. Spread it out on it. Make sure you put enough. At this point, you may decide to garnish with anything of your choice. I'm using Oreo biscuits for garnishing. Just break it on top. Crunchy Oreo biscuits. You can put almond seed. You can put chocolate chips. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands and come back. It's time to roll. I'm just going to lift the paper up. Using the paper, fold it with your hands on the paper. As you fold, you move the paper away. Fold, press it tight, move the paper away. With your hands behind, push, push, push. Okay, just keep going, just keep folding until you get to the end of it, okay? And then bring it together, press it together tightly, with your paper on it, because you are still going to refrigerate this before you slice. Wow, you can see the yummy, the delicacy in it is coming and it's pushing out. Can you see the side? I can't wait to have a bite. Tastes usually nice, okay? So this is okay. I'm going to just take it like this and pop it in the fridge to firm up, okay? Okay, our vanilla roll is out from the fridge, so I'm going to unwrap it. Because of the nature of these cakes, it's better to always freeze them or chill them, okay? So that it will be easy for you to handle. So, here we are. Can you see? Alright. So at this point, we are going to decorate the top, then slice so that you see what it looks like inside, okay? Pause. So I'm using whipped cream, the same cream we used for the inside. can garnish with fruits, cherry, strawberry, anything you like. You can even create a design using your skewer stick. Or you can leave it smooth. Bring my cherry for me. I'm using cherry. So it's time to slice. I sell a slice for 3,000. A slice for 3,000. So this is going to give me like 3 slices. Can you see what it looks like inside? Can you see the inside? Yeah. You can sell this for 3,500, 4,000. Can you see? See what it looks like, right? It looks nice, isn't it? So you can sell in put it in your dessert plates with spoon.